Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter. It's simple, quick, and makes a big difference in the air quality inside your car. Let's get started. First, check your owner's manual to find the location of your cabin air filter. Most of the time, it's behind the glove box. All right, let's open up that glove box. Next, you'll need to remove the glove box to access the filter compartment. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Just locate the stops on either side of the glove box and gently push them in to release the glove box. It should drop down and out of the way. Now you'll see the filter cover. Remove it by pressing the tabs on either side or unscrewing a few screws, depending on your car model. Once the cover is off, you'll see the cabin air filter. Carefully pull it out. Take a look at that old filter. If it's dirty and filled with debris, it's definitely time for a change. Grab your new filter and compare it to the old one to make sure it's the right fit. Before you put the new filter in, check the airflow direction arrows on the filter and the compartment. Slide the new filter in with the arrows pointing in the correct direction. Replace the filter cover and make sure it's secure. Then lift the glove box back into place and push it gently until it clicks back into its stops. And that's it. You've just replaced your cabin air filter. Now you can enjoy cleaner air inside your car and a more efficient HVAC system. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.